So number one, as many other companies, we're trying to take full advantage of artificial intelligence to make our processes or engagements more effective and more efficient. So I'm Alex Monino. I'm the SVP and General Manager for HP Additive Manufacturing Solutions, and I basically lead the 3D printing business inside HP. So in HP, our strategy has always been to play in production. That's where we're focused. We don't play in prototyping, so we'll solely play in production, both for polymers and metals technology. And number one is we continue seeing basically an advancement on the adoption of production applications. Today, here at the show, you see a car that we have, a racing car with, you see many of the applications that we've basically done. We continue working on total cost of ownership solutions in order to drive costs down, to drive and accelerate the adoption of production applications. And then we continue also expanding our material set. We've just announced a fire retardant material that we have here at the shows that will basically help us expand to other segments and applications where we did not have it. We are showcasing both our polymers and metals technology that, again, geared and tuned towards production applications with the repeatability and the yield that will help basically manufacturers, especially nowadays that they want to in-source manufacturing with what's going on in the world. They want to manufacture locally with basically all the repeatability and all the production yields that they would expect from a traditional process. So that would be no excuse, and continue working on lower costs per copy, on lower TCO, total cost of ownership, all with sustainability in mind and making sure that we do that in the most sustainable way. So number one, as many other companies, we're trying to take full advantage of artificial intelligence to make our processes or engagements more effective and more efficient. That's like many other companies are doing. But we are showcasing here a technology, what we call it text to 3D. It's AI text to 3D, which we're basically leveraging. We own an accessories company called HyperX for gaming accessories out of HP's gaming line. And what we started to do with them is, you can design your own basically character for the gaming, and we'll get it printed. And basically with the technology we've stitched with AI, leveraging overall HP's investments on AI, we are turning what used to be hours of design into minutes, right? So you can play with it. You can basically text prompt it what you want. The system, the AI system, will prompt you 2, 3, 4 concepts of what you've asked based on 2D. You choose, you modify as you want it, and then once you have it, then you turn it into 3D, and it will basically turn it into a 3D printable file that is ready to print. All that within minutes, when it used to be that. So we are very excited. Actually, the steering wheel, we have several concepts of the steering wheel center that we've played with, and you can see them on the car, but actually off the car, and those are out of our AI engine. And we are really, encouraged by and excited by the possibilities that this can have, as one of the most difficult things that is, halting adoption in this industry is the availability and how easy it is to create content. So that we think this will be a step function on the content creation for 3D print ready files. I think it's very critical. It's an industry that, it's been around for a while, but I would say still immature as an industry, compared definitely like to other industries that we HP play, like PCs or printers. And I think knowledge and awareness is still, needed. And I think associations like you guys and trade shows like this help to bring this knowledge to the end user base, that they maybe heard about it, but once they see it, it's also relevant as we as industry players, me or us and our colleagues, showcase use cases. So when somebody is from a aeronautics industry, automotive industry, they want to see use cases of what other colleagues on their industries are adopting 3D printing. So I think it is very important, and it's encouraged to see that it's really moved from I would call it an iron show, meaning showing the machines, to really very application centric. I think every industry will look at their industry references. So people within the healthcare industry will look at use cases and wins and what are the best practices within the healthcare segment, in auto within the auto segment, and obviously then you have capabilities and platforms that cut across. But I think the use cases and how we as an industry convey use cases and best practices, it really helps to advance the industry within each of those segments.